how to redeem Roblox gift card on your phone. Now you can only do this through browser, so open up a browser on your phone and search for Roblox gift card redeem just like this. And click on Roblox gift card, the first option. Over here it's going to ask you into your Roblox account, so do that. After you log in into your Roblox account, click on redeem card at the top left corner. Over here again it's going to ask you to log in to confirm it, so log in into your account. Once you log in into your account, what you need to do is click and continue in browser at the bottom. It's going to bring you over here. Over here click on the three line at the top left corner and click on this option called gift card over here. Over here click on redeem card at the top, and over here where it says code, click on it, enter your gift card's number, scroll down and click on redeem, and the gift card will be redeemed. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.